The first thing to know about these two vaccines is that they're largely similar. Data shows both are between 94 and 95% effective. Both require 2 doses. Neither is a live virus vaccine. Neither affects your body's DNA. Reported side effects for both are nearly identical. And both use new vaccine technology called mRNA.
mRNA are basically injected in the vaccine. It gets into your cell and then teaches your cell basically how to make the virus protein to mount an immune response.
Now the differences. Pfizer's vaccine requires your booster shot 3 weeks or 21 days after the first. Moderna's booster comes 4 weeks or 28 days later. Pfizer's vaccine was approved for use in people ages 16 and older. If approved, Moderna's will be available for people 18 and up. And storage. By now, you know Pfizer's vaccine has to be stored in super cold temperatures. Moderna's is a little different. I asked Dr. James Cutrell to explain why.
The mRNA itself is not very stable at room temperature. Once you take it and put it in the refrigerator, the Pfizer vaccine's only stable for about 5 days. The Moderna vaccine, on the other hand, from the data that we have from the company, appears to be stable at refrigerator temperature for about 30 days. There's something about the Moderna vaccine, most likely the way the lipid nanoparticle is created, that allows it to be a little bit more stable for a longer period of time in the refrigerator.
Let's do this.
Once out of the fridge, both vaccines have to be used within 5 or 6 hours. Otherwise, that mRNA starts to degrade. At this point, experts think more Pfizer vaccine will be sent to bigger hospitals with capacity for those deep freezers, and Moderna's will go to clinics or smaller hospitals that don't have those freezers. Something to remember, and this is important, you can't mix and match vaccines.
Because that's the way that it's been studied. And so the answer to the question of which one you should take is really whichever one you're offered to get first.
With your health check, I'm Sonia Azad.